What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We are doing the serial filler to fill up the SPA case, group break number 200. We're live at 3:31. It's 3:31 here in Denver. I gotta go get a list of all the names. Actually, I think I copy and pasted them. Yep. We got Grant on top, Charlie on the bottom. Grant on top, Charlie on the bottom. So we got all the names. We're gonna run that list 3 times, and then we got all the numbers. Should be a 0. We're going to run that list 3 times, and whatever number you match up to is the number you get for the break. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3. Keith on top, Grant on the bottom. And for the numbers, 1, 2, and 3. 6 on top, 9 on the bottom. So Keith, you got 6, Ladislav 3, Charlie 4, Keith 0, Grant 1 and 5, Eric, you got 7 and 2, Jeremy 8, and Grant number 9. I will post that in the chat, so no worries, you don't have to remember it. Done at 3:32, just turned 3:33.